Well, an iconic Texas stadium is getting a little nip and tuck, a little facelift. Our Brett Shipp joins us now with the details on the Cotton Bowl's renovation. Brett, good morning once again.
Very surgical explanation, Charles. Thank you for that. Well, you know, the Cotton Bowl is a cornerstone of Fair Park in Dallas and the Texas OU and Grambling Prairie View games, a big part of the state fair every year. But quick, tell me who else uses that stadium? That's what I thought. But if the city of Dallas has its way, the stadium's popularity is about to change.
One day a year, the Cotton Bowl is one of the most venerable and beloved buildings on the planet. The rest of the year, it's pretty much populated by just the ground crews getting it ready for the next year. That and the ghosts of glory days past. And it's not for lack of love, mainly just a lack of money.
Over the years, it's more than tripled in size without tripling restrooms, concessions, ingress, egress. We know it takes a long time to get in.
But thanks to a $140 million infusion of tourist and hotel taxes, the Cotton Bowl is about to be transformed. Not a facelift, mind you.
So it's going to look like the Cotton Bowl, it's going to feel like the Cotton Bowl.
But an architectural overhaul by one of the best in the business, Dallas native Brian Truby, who specializes in stadium restorations. Does he know what he's talking about? Just listen.
So we're pulling a lot of this soffit, this overhead area out, which will allow us to look at more of the original concrete structure, which you can see is board formed.
Just take a look. His plan is to tear out these ancient ramp walkways and create more concourse space.
That will allow us to have a lot of the historic concrete structures still in place. So you'll see all the old rakers and the seating bowl treads and risers, but we'll have modern vertical transportation in the form of escalators and elevators.
Then up top, the old press box. It'll be transformed into luxury suites and clubs with a view rarely enjoyed in stadiums of this size.
There's not a building like this with 90,000 people this close to the pitch. And that really provides a pretty extraordinary place for premium product.
And once the upgrades are made, Fair Park officials feel they will quickly be able to attract major events. Football, soccer, concerts, Olympics, and yes, even the glory days, coming back to one of the most storied stadiums in the nation.
You know what the most important thing is?
What's that?
To bring the Cotton Bowl back to the Cotton Bowl. Don't laugh.
I'm not laughing.
No, he's not laughing. You move the Cotton Bowl Classic back to the Cotton Bowl and risk upsetting Jerry Jones? Please. Well, construction starts in January. They say renovations will be ready by the Texas OU game in a couple of years. I say bring the Cowboys back to the Cotton Bowl and play football in an open-air stadium. Alex and Charles, some teams do that. It seems to be working for the 49ers.
We don't talk of the 49ers.